just like any lesson plan doesn't go according to plan, it can change. So, if you want to grab a pen, you can, but if not, we have tweeted the draft programme based on your questions. So what we're going to do, ignore the timetable altogether. We assume it's 7 o'clock. We're going to try 2 little hub sessions and then have a little break and then try 2 more. There are 6 groups. If you look on your timetable on the bit of paper, 6 different themes. So we've got 1 question for ICT, so that session's going to run first and once only. Then there's 3 sessions on policy and politics. Woo! There's 4 on behaviour, SEN, G&T, 4 on teaching and learning CPD, 4 on research and 4 on school leadership. So I'm just going to get you to look around the room and see who's leading what session. So Martin, ICT Magic, where are you, Martin? Martin's doing ICT in the first session on innovation in the classroom. Okay, so if you're interested in that, you follow Martin for the first 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to lead the policy and the politics sessions, all 3 of them. So I'm going to do 2 first, have a break, and then 1 at the end. Okay, so you're interested in free schools, education versus business models, or recruitment, then come to me. Jackson and Amjad, so they'll introduce themselves when they gather, but they're going to do the first 2 sessions on motivation, second one on support in special needs students. Then after the break, they're going to do 1 on introverts, students and bringing them out of the shell, and on literacy. Okay, next group is with Jazz and Andy. Okay, over here. They're going to do the first 2 on marking, second one on planning, and then after the break, job satisfaction and risks in the classroom. Then Stephen, hola, Mr. Lockyer.
Stand up!
It started at 7. Shut up.
Can you all be careful? Watch how much Stephen drinks tonight, please.
Outrageous.
Stephen is the first 2 sessions on mastery in the classroom, and then peer-to-peer. So this is research. Then after the break, action, research, and well-being. And then the final session led by Nick, white hat at the back. Nick's going to do school leadership topics and partnerships. Second one on mental health. Then after the break, pastoral versus academic. And then the last one will be on just school promotions and leadership. So that's the plan. It might not go according to plan, but that's why we're all here to just discuss. Now, there is one key rule. You read the rules on the back. Rule 13. Please just refer to Rule 13. Okay, the host is there to just pose the question and make sure everyone has a say. Okay, because in traditional Teach Meet formats, there's always a sage on the stage, as it were. So this time you all have a say. If we work to just 15 minutes and then we break, maybe have a 2-minute changeover, follow whoever you want to go and listen to. We might just announce and we'll shout them what the next session is. But if we just spread ourselves around the boat, so we maybe do 3 sessions here, 1 on the front deck, maybe 2 or 3 of those nice tables downstairs. Let's do the first 2 sessions and see how it goes. As you do your discussions, don't forget the hashtags. Let everyone outside the room. Liam's beaming this out to the World Wide Web so you can see. You know, tweet your views, introduce each other to people around the table, and have a lovely evening. And thank you for coming. Let's go.
Are we capturing?
Are
we capturing the conversation?
Yes. Hashtags.
Motivation over here and support.
Policy.